So, Huawei's highly anticipated Mate 70 series is set for launch later this month, and leaks surrounding the device are starting to ramp up. The latest leak provides a glimpse into the front design of the Mate 70 Pro, revealing that the device will retain the familiar 3-punch-hole setup seen on last year's Mate 60 Pro and Pro Plus. This setup includes one hole for the selfie camera, and the other 2 for the 3D time-of-flight system used for secure face unlocking, a feature that has become a staple in Huawei's recent flagships. While the Mate 70 Pro in the leak is housed in a protective shell, it's clear that there are some design changes in store. The flat frame of the device is a notable departure from the rounded frame found in previous models. This shift in design could give the Mate 70 series a sleeker, more modern look compared to its predecessors. In addition, the power button on the right-hand side appears to be larger than before, which could make it more ergonomic for users. The leaked image also reveals some other design tweaks. The volume buttons have been repositioned higher on the side of the phone, which could make them easier to access. Additionally, an antenna break is visible beneath the power button, suggesting that the device may incorporate enhanced connectivity features. Another interesting change is the power button's new 2-in-1 design, likely combining fingerprint recognition with the power function. This change appears to have been implemented by extending the button's length to improve fingerprint recognition coverage and make the device more secure. As for the display, the aspect ratio appears to have been slightly adjusted, which may offer a more immersive viewing experience. The overall design of the Mate 70 Pro seems to be in line with Huawei's ongoing goal to refine and enhance its flagship devices, blending innovative features with subtle design improvements. The Mate 70 Pro will likely debut Huawei's new Kirin 9100 chipset. This chip is expected to offer improved performance and efficiency compared to its predecessor, ensuring that the Mate 70 series remains competitive in the premium smartphone market. With these exciting changes, Huawei's Mate 70 series looks set to make a big impact when it is officially unveiled later this month. So what do you guys think about the upcoming Huawei Mate 70 series? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.